In a world filled with extraordinary talents, few capture the imagination like the record for the longest yawn. In 2022, a man from Mexico set a new Guinness World Record by yawning for a staggering 8.2 seconds. After years of practice and experimentation, he shared his method, perfecting the art of deep breathing and relaxation. During his record attempt, his friends cheered, turning what seemed like a simple act into a memorable spectacle. Yawning may seem ordinary, but this achievement reminds everyone that even the most mundane actions can lead to extraordinary records. Curious to see the longest yawn in history? Tune in and be amazed.